if you are kind of a TV where people can view what you do 24/7 through your eyes, it means that you have rare genetic capabilities allowing people to view what you do. And some people will really kind of feel some threat, if you multiply in numbers and become many. Why? Because people have secrets they're hiding. You have countries building things and stuff they're hiding from people, and you cannot join anyone work anywhere because people are hiding stuff, and you are now a TV who is revealing things. That's why maybe in future my descendants, who are children who are going to come before me, and they are going to become maybe many, are going to be, they are going to suffer, things like massive, killing, concentration in camps and things like that, because now there are TVs and countries are hiding secrets, or people, certain groups are hiding secrets, things they are doing that they don't want other people to know. Why? Because you cannot trust a human being to be nice, to be nice to another human being. Yeah, that's it. And, it kind of gets me thinking, human beings really become this dumb, or they cannot really find, technology they can embed in themselves and find solutions to all this, kind of living in an age where people are actually, really, really they are really down in terms of thinking, and you are kind of in the middle of all this. Maybe in future you'll find your own planet and leave these human beings here on Earth, living alone, because now you will be massacred. People don't want you really around because you are now kind of a snitch, right? And even if your children multiply and become many, there'll be snitches everywhere, because people are trying to hide things. A country is building its dictatorship somewhere, or secret weapons, or developing secret codes, and you are here, many TVs, CCTVs on the street, where people can view and know what is going on. And it's a human being, you have no proof. You have no physical proof. Anyway, the kind of difficulties you will have here in the world are so immense. And I see you again next time.